Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create bell bottoms from Despicable Me on Dress to Impress. So there's two ways that you can make this with or without the rope, so let's get started with the video. Super simple stuff and you don't need VIP for this, so let's go with the hair first. I'm like legging. Color your hair black, and then I used these hoop earrings over here in this color F4AE56. Grab these pants and turn off the flower here. Color it this purple AA52AB in silk for both. Grab these chains in that same color F4AE56. Grab this top in the same one in silk. I wish there was a better jacket, but this is the only option that we have, so we're going to go with this. Color it AB5F8B in denim. Second one, color it this color 8B0932, and then this again in denim, and then that color again. Then for the shoes, we're going to go to coats and we're going to grab these boots in 521235 for both of the toggles, for three of the toggles. You can stop here, but if you have the rope, you can also use it. So you're going to color it the same color first in denim, and then that same color in denim as well for the belt for this part, and then you're going to want to use that same color for the bottom, well, for the fur. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.